Good morning, guys. So, I'm not working. I'm not up this early normally. However, I don't know. I just felt like getting up early today. And, that breaking news song that just came out with Dexter Daps. When I tell the females and for poison the men, and I see a lot of females jumping on the bandwagon, saying I'm gonna poison men. I know it's just all joke and drama, but a lot of women really can't cook. So, as a Jamaican young woman who was, urged to start cooking from what time I start cook? When we at Jamaica, you mean when? From when me in the kitchen I cook? When did I start preparing meals? Yes. All right, let's put it at 10. I probably started cooking when I was 10. So this morning, with the whole poisoning thing, I'm saying to the females that if you really want to poison somebody, then you have to at least know how to cook. And one of the classic Jamaican breakfast meals is banana fritters. I'd never thought about it earlier, but this is the banana. I squashed out two of them. If I thought about, that's shown everything from day one, from the get-go. So I'm making some banana fritters. So you'll need the bananas, of course. You need your bananas, you need a little vanilla. You need your eggs, you get a little crisp. You need your flour. And, of course, you need your sugar. And clearly cooking oil. So, I'm just going to walk you guys through it, for all those. I know that most of my following is, is mostly a mature audience. So I'm assuming that majority of you guys know already how to make banana fritters. And while I'm making my fritters, this is my daily detox, my hot lemon water. I don't know if you can see it over here on Facebook, over here on Instagram. So, I'll be taking a sip here and there. And what this does for me is like it starts to boost my metabolism. I feel alive when I do this. So, this is the first thing I take into my system in the mornings. And then, I get on to, whatever I'm going to eat. So, yes, ladies, before you can poison a man, you have to make sure you can cook. And, knowing to cook was one. And, making the food tasty is another one. Because not everybody have that little, thing with them can make the food taste really, really, really good. So, ladies and gentlemen, too. So, we're going to do... I did show you an egg. So we're not going to use the entire egg. All we want now is just the whites. Alright? We only need the egg whites. And, it's just, as I said, to give that little crisp around the edges. Or, over. You don't want it too soft and flinky. So, trying to get the whites out here. Out of the egg. And, however you want to add your stuff, it's totally up to you. But, I like to do all my liquids first. And then, I do my little dry stuff. So, my sugar and my flour, that's what I add last. So, it's like one eye. Two, one, take on your eye. So, you drain the egg. If you're craving like me, or you're economical, you probably won't want to throw away the yellow. So, you put it on and you fry it, later. But since I'm on this health journey, chances are I'm gonna throw this thing in the garbage, but I'm trying to get out as much as I possibly can. All right, so we don't drain out all of the water we can possibly get out of this. So discard of this, and then of course you go ahead and you try to make sure that everything is mixed in its entirety. You wanna make sure that this is dispersed all over, in the banana. So there we go. You want a little tip of vanilla in it because it gives it that nice little pastry kind of taste like. So of course you're gonna add that. Guys, I'm not able to see the comments right now, but just go and do nothing and you can go and, converse with each other. I'm just here to show you the mixture. I just thought I'd share with you guys, since I'm always coming live at nights, and, I'm here, and I'm all about, food, family, health, exercise, money, You know, I'm like, you know what? Let me show these guys, because as I said, the sun is so hot. It's so hot, and a lot of females aren't able to cook. And I feel like if you were born in the 80s or even say the 90s, early 2000s, you know, I feel like, you know, you should be able to make some of these classic dishes. So I'm gonna add some sugar, guys. Listen, I cannot tell you that, you know, it's 2 teaspoons and this and that. You know, Jamaicans just have this sort of thing where we just tip or sprinkle till our voice says sprinkle no more. So that is the voice that I use. That's my measuring voice. I don't use measuring cups. I have them, but I don't really use them. And you know, you add your sugar, and you know, you're going you mix. Oh, need to add some lemon juice, because you know, when you add the eggs, you know, you want to tip a little lemon juice. It's all about flavoring. You don't have to, but you know, I like to. You know, I put too much because I don't want it too sour. Listen, I'm just following my mom's footsteps. Don't ask me why she put it in there. Mama, why you put the lemon juice in there? To kill the rawness out of the egg? Moms,
Yeah.
why you put lemon juice in the fritters when you use the egg?
Yes, sir.
What is the purpose for the lemon juice in the fritters?
The ones gonna take out the rawness and the egg white of itself.
I got it right. You see, that's what my mom said, you know, it's to take out some of the rawness. But I kind of figured that. I did say it before I asked her. Hi, Nick. So, alright, so we do this. You know, you want a little salt in it too. You know, it's all about flavoring, as I said. A lot of the salt there. So is the salt done? Yes. I forgot to put a lot of seasoning salt in it. I'm gonna see the regular salt, so of course I'm gonna tip a little Larry's seasoning salt into it. I see somebody saying cinnamon, but it's up to you. As I say, it's up to you what you want. It's a spice. You know, it's not a necessity. You can add cinnamon if you want. I don't normally add it. You know, I add it to other stuff when I'm baking, but not to everything. My only thing is just the vanilla, the vanilla and and a little salt. And you go and mix that. You know, as I say, I cannot say exactly how much sugar to add. I just add sprinkle until I hear a voice that sprinkle no more. And I look at the amount of, you know, mixture that I have, and you know, also, you know, I look at the batter. You know, I see how, you know, how it's coloring. So it's getting a little brown. You don't want them too dark, because of course, you know, you're gonna fry them. They are gonna get brown, but too much sugar will cause it to brown and burn. Oh, my mom just reminded me of a secret ingredient. Alright, so we're gonna me not have to put some something like a seasoning salt, because we don't know the salt down so quick. But anyway, you put a little you tip of nutmeg. My mom says I should put some cinnamon in there. I never normally do it, and they normally come out really, really good. But hey, mommy's cooking is the greatest, so I'll took some cinnamon powder. Whoever it said, as I say, it's not that you're right, and it's not. There's no right or wrong way. I don't normally do it, so let's clearly gonna taste good, because I fear when them taste good. And how me end up and make this thing this morning, I asked her to make it, and she said no. So you soon can do your thing by your own. You just get up and you do it. Morning, Annie. All right, so you know, this is how my batter is coming on. Instagram over here and Facebook over here. Guys, if you're on Facebook and you've not started following me on Instagram, I would appreciate it if you went over there. Hey, Dinah. I would appreciate it if you went over there and you started following me, okay? So it was the bananas. Then I added the egg whites. Then I added a little salt, a little vanilla, and some nutmeg, and then some cinnamon. Oh, and some lemon juice. And of course, as I said earlier, the lemon juice is all about... Yes, madam, I have to put flour in it. Somebody can make banana fritters without flour. What a something. My flour is last. As I told you guys earlier, you know, I like to do all my liquid first, and then, you know, I do my powder last. So of course you're gonna add the flour. The flour is what gives it the body. So, you know, you're gonna go and add up your little flour. And as I said, I can't tell you 2 teaspoons, 3 teaspoons. I know them big chef the way. Yes, I have me measuring something, but I don't have time for measure. I not grow up doing them something. Every time I see my mother measure at Christmas time when she make cake. Sometime, and not all the time. I make one potato pudding later. I need potato pudding. Yes, man, I could make one later. Let me more make it. More you guide me properly. I'm gonna have the baking pot down like you. Splendor. Splendor. She's diabetic and she wants to put Splendor in it. Can you imagine? And you go and mix, you know, the better, you know, the more smooth you get the mix, you know, the better it is for you. I hope the young girl I'm gonna take notes, you know. Because trust me, if you look at poison in this, you can't poison the person. When they don't fry man to them look. To all them look, you not even think, you not even remember the extra daps. You even remember the extra daps, you just have to eat. And Angelique said, I don't really like banana fritters, but if I make it, I don't put egg in it. I use nothing make. Yeah, as I said, the egg is not a must, you know. A lot of these things you don't have to, it's all about how you like your things. The eggs is just to get a little crisp. You know, some people don't like the soft, and it really does give it a little crisp. You know, and it helps to raise it a little as well. So, you know, I don't think I'm going to add any more flour because you don't want the batter too thick. But at the same time, you don't want it too watery. So, you know, and you go and mix like my hand might hurt me. Whew. But anyway, I just need to ensure that my ladies can cook. And come on, if you miss anything right here, you just go on YouTube. But, you know, it's very important that as a young woman, or as a person, you're able to cook, especially, you know, you're Jamaican or Caribbean, because we have so much in common back there in the Caribbean. You understand me? We have so much in common, you know. A lot of these things we do make, you know, as our individual islands. You know, just like there are things, little things that differ, you know, like probably something is added, something is not. You know, it's called a different name or, you know, it's whatever. But, yeah, and that's basically it. And I get a good old frying pan and you turn on the stove. And you know, really want the place smell, everywhere smell like banana fritters. So you turn on your fan. And for me, you know, I'm a sucker for coconut oil. It's almost done now. I hope when I go Costco later they have. So that's what I'm gonna add. But let me see the different nations. Anybody here from any different Caribbean island? Let me. What do you guys call this in your country? You call it banana fritters same way? That would so bright to call me. The 784 number and stop calling me. I don't even know which area code it. And so it call us some decline. Oh, so annoying. Good morning, Jay Price. Good morning, C. Hey, beautiful. Good morning. Watching from Guyana. Paula, what do you call this thing over Guyana? And see there? Let me drop this in the pot and I went nice, you know. Breaking news. Breaking news, CC. I don't know, so I can't cook already. It's just that I don't really have the time or never had the time, you know, to be showing you guys every single thing that I'm doing. But yeah, I can go and mix, you know, mix to the ear voice and mix no more. I don't know who's gonna sit down with me until I'm, you know, done frying, but you know, it would be good to see how it comes out. I'm just putting back the things where they belong. I'm a very organized person, as you can tell. So you know, I'm waiting for the pot. I want to trim my oil. And you don't want to put too much oil in it either, because you know it will suck out everything. You want to put enough where it probably is just right there halfway. You know, when I put the fritters in. Yeah, so you know, while I'm waiting, I'm going to sip on my hot lemon water. My lemon slap. So some more showing the cup and I turn over my juice. But yeah, it's a really, really good detox. And guys, I know a lot of us are home. The next thing, don't put the stove on high, put it somewhere there between, you can put it on medium. Yes, a lot of us are home, so I urge you to, this buy now, with everything that's going on, I don't recommend that you constantly buy out. I mean, there are days, probably like, every so often on a Friday or a Saturday evening when I'll go out and I'll get something, because, those are days when we don't normally cook, it's like a Jamaican thing, and I really cook on weekends. I get paid Friday, spend a money on food Friday and Saturday. So it's like you get a 2-day break. The 2 days that, really the 2 weekend evenings, and you don't really cook. So, you're at home, I urge you to, just spend some time and learn how to cook. Learn how to cook. It's not, as I said, and I've been in the kitchen probably since about 10, 12, somewhere there about. Until my mom immigrated, and then, it was me, caring for my brothers. Yes, I spend some time and learn to cook. And what I do with my, so after I'm finished with my warm water and my lemon slices, I add to my bottle. And then for the entire day, what I'll do is that I'll add water to this, and then I'll just drink throughout the day. Yeah, man, it's all about health and wealth. And, this COVID thing is going around, and I'm very, very grateful that I've not experienced a symptom. Even though there's a lot of people are asymptomatic, but I haven't felt weak. I haven't felt any form of sickness. The most me feel, a little stress. The oil. Yes, Jill, it's hot. I don't really feel nothing great, so, I'm really grateful for that. And, one of the reasons, I think one of the contributing factors is that, I really take care of myself. I'm trying to find a spoon that I'm going to do one decent size fritters. Put a big spoon. And I see the big spoon I want. Not a big spoon. You can do flip or something like that. I'm not eating down it. This is what you use. Alright, you know ready for some natural fritters in a pot now? Woo! And by the way, my son and one of the twins, they love this. They love this. And of course, you put you look for your pot, you look on the size of your pot, the size of your fritters. Me personally, I don't like when them touching each other. So for this, I'll do 4. The pot gives me a size of like 4. So let me take Facebook over here for a little, and I'll show you what it looks like in the pot. So this is what it looks like, alright? And if you can look, see it's getting brown under there already. So it's coming, it's coming. I wish part Mr. Andre, the jar where you there? You in the room? Instagram, I don't know if you operate Android phone or not. Okay, so Instagram, this is all the fritters I'm looking over here. Alright? So that's how we're looking over there. Guys, I hope you guys share the live, because when you hear watching, other people want to know how to do these things. Whether it's for good reasons or not. And then you don't want them to burn, because them say fried planting and men are the same thing. They turn your back them bone, but add fritters to that list. I swear. I swear you don't have to turn for too long. I baby. You may ask away. Yeah, so I'm going to simmer down now. So anybody else from and always come out too oily. I mean, good God, what your name? Godway. The thing is, it's in oil. You just don't want to add too much, but if you add too little, it will stick and then it will make it burn. So it's just moderation. And when you finish, you just put them on some paper towel. Some good old I don't use Bounty. I use Kirkland. I love Costco's paper towels that it's not even funny because it like the quality is so good. It's you don't even miss Bounty. You don't even miss the expensive Bounty when you're using Costco things. You want to make sure that it's good at the bottom because for me personally, I don't like to be flipping here and there and flipping all over the place. So I make sure that the bottom is cooked in such a way that when I flip it, the top is just ready for its for its portion. Nick, you are going. Woo! Yeah, that's all you need to do. Just drain them on paper towel. Drain them on paper towel. And people told me feel good, you see. Listen, I'm not working on my money, but I just feel good. When I did something, my mother sitting on the chair stretcher, and mother, they're not done yet. I'm going to ask you to make them, you never make them. Woo! I know I love them. If it's even one ripe banana, I have to stretch it. Who wants to see how them looking? Give me a show of hands for all who wants to see how they're looking. We call it monkey ears. Where's that Paula? Which country that? Because I don't know the flag them and I go like my bride. And every country flag me know. People Paula say them call them monkey ears over Facebook here. Me weak. Paula, where art thou from? Janine, what's going on, goodie? Alright guys, so this is how they're looking so far. This is my first flip, my first and only flip. So when I flip them the next time, so you just put them on your paper towel and you drain them. Alright, Instagram. Let me show Instagram how them looking. I don't have a lot of people on Instagram watching, but I really do appreciate you guys that are watching over there. So this is how they're looking after, my first, I put them in and turn them. Looking really good. So, you want to have them looking like this. You want to have them looking like this, alright? So as I was saying, I'm not working and I don't have money, but I just feel, a sense of gratitude. I'm alive, and as I said, I've not experienced any form of symptom. People, everybody in my family is okay. I have life. I'm not homeless. Sometimes we don't have it all, but the little that we do have, we have to show appreciation and we have to express gratitude for it before we don't have it anymore. I'm not hungry. I've not experienced hunger once in this pandemic, and that's a lot to be grateful for. It's a lot to be grateful for. I mean, at the end of the day, if your bills are being taken care of right now, you just have to be grateful. And even if they're not, you're not at fault. Oh, she's from Guyana, so Guyana call them monkey ears. Lord of mercy. What kind of name is it to get something? I'm hear them call them a Guyana. Monkey ears. So I learned something new today. Yes, guys, but we have to learn to express gratitude at all times, regardless of the situation. I'm not gonna lie, it's not every day I get up feeling perky. Furthermore, I'd be sleeping. On a normal day, I'd be sleeping. It's the first I get up so early from my stop work. The first time. So this is how I took 2 out, and this is how they're looking so far. One of my next it's not like I'm learning to do this. What I want to learn to do is to properly decorate dishes, plates. My mom bought a little kit. Let me show it to you guys. And we're learning to do a few things. So I don't know, if I decide to stay with you guys, I might try the bird. I might try the bird. But yeah, it's a lot to give thanks for. We just have to be grateful. Then you want to go on. Little is much when God is in it. You're so right, Jacqueline. You are so right. I don't because I can't bother with the measuring. Angelique says she not bake because she can't bother the measuring. As I said, my mother a real OG, and everything she really measure. And guys, you can't turn your back too long for it, so then we burn up. Then we burn up and then it really got to poison. Alright, so it won't be a lot because it was just 2 bananas, but I really wanted to taste the actual banana. So this might clearly this is the last set. want to get everything out of the bowl on the last one. So I'm going to scrape. I feel pleased. I that you know. Not the same. While I'm here with you guys, you know, and I might just get 10. No, Charmaine, we can only get 8. I can only get 8 goodie. You know, they're good size. You know, 2 of these can fill me up. 2 of these can really, really fill me up. You know, but what I'm gonna have it with, I see my mother, I came in the kitchen and I saw my mom, she took up little tin mackerel. I love tin mackerel, but in a dirty girl, oh God. And dirty girl are best friend. So of course I'm gonna wax down 2 or 3 of them, 3 the max with little the dirty girl. And a lot of people on here, I know a lot of people generally, you know, don't like to wash dishes. You know, leave them cook and then leave this big sink of plate. You know, there are times when you're cooking and you're so busy you don't even have time. But you know, right now I cook on the fritters them over there, so you know I have my eyes on them. I have to look at something at this sink. Just go and wash them out now. It's not killing you now. It's not killing you, but some of you young girls too, I really try to bash it, but when you wash your plate and they're so greasy and you know just because you're not seeing food in it, you know, you stick it in the dish drain and say, well, no. When you wash your dishes, you should hear this sound. You know, you should be hearing this sound. Your finger not supposed to slide over it like a different piece of banana skin up on top of one eel go down at the bottom. So you need to hear the sound. Okay, young ladies, I need you guys to, and you know, I'm trying to groom you ladies into becoming great, you know, wives. And it's not even wives, you know, for yourself, because good man, them out there, them very, very hard to find. Enough of them dead, some of them no born yet. And the worst now, enough of them whether they right now want poison, but you know, be it for yourself. Be it for yourself. And as my son, you can't. You take on the half of the fritters then because they will burn up. So you have to multitask. So you let them too long, then burn up on you. See then? If they talk with 2 more seconds, then they burn up. Oh Lord. Jay. You want to go somewhere today? We are going to clean up the backyard because Memorial is coming up and we want to go around there and jerk. Alright, so let me show you guys how we look at the second round looking in the pot. So Facebook, this is the second batch, you know, second of 2 of 2. That's how it's looking. And Instagram. I'm sorry for me, I only flip this again. You know, long I try to live man, it's an Android phone there. So that's it. That's how it's looking. You know, this is you know, this is to have this with bread. I know it's a lot of carbs, but it's really, really good. Mom, beg you one paper towel now, please. You don't want to have your pot angle sticking out like this because you push it off and drop everything out of the stove. Oh yeah, you know, you just make it go on fry. And as I was saying earlier, you know, I'm going to wax it down with a little dirty girl. So, of course, my mom looked about it earlier. So, you know, this is good. This is what I'm going to have it with. What's a good combination to have the fritters with, guys? Let me hear. What's a good combination to have the fritters with? You know, I normally just have them like that because it's just like some little pastries really taste really, really good. So, I'm going to just take out one and I just take one and I want to go this, and by the time I reach out this, I have to come back. And before you know it, I eat 3. I mean, I eat it with nothing else, you know. But you know, what would you marry? Mother, the paper towels are to the right, yeah, right there. What is one of the meat or protein source that you would marry your fritters with to have, you know, a great complete meal? Fritters and tea. Thank you. Kenny said fritters and tea, breakfast done. It may say, but take a little piece over here, and by the time I walk going to the living room, and come, it's done, and I come back, and before you know, I just some of us take. Till me not eat it with nothing. This time, my link. Hold that. Hi, Durvan. Monkey. Your monkey ears looking good. For all who join in, guys, we call it banana fritters in Jamaica, but in Guyana they call it monkey ears. Oh Lord. Mother, you're in my cooking video. What are you stretching for? Alright, let me give you one.
No photo, bro.
Your mama doesn't make no photo. I'm not even for you forget them because I ask you for them.
Give me another plate.
In your hand? What do you want? And for the person who said, you know, it's oily, tastes good. My mother lick her 10 finger and that was one and she use and take up. So I can imagine. Just say, my girl, we can't cook in a bunch today. I just not feel like me for cook, but she get out and then also I have to help myself. Alright, so these are still going. And I'm going to take some out. So let me show you something. You know, as I said, I don't like to turn them, but these two, you know, they looked kind of light. So, you know, I actually flip this one back over and, you know, it look kind of light. So, you know, Instagram is soon showing me I talk about. Alright, you know, so I put it over there. So sorry about it all over the place of the video, you know, so I'm my own director, CEO, everybody in one. But Nikki, I was with you. Yes, but these two, so this is what the Instagram one and the emoji come up, all under okay. Can't use Android phone. So initially, you know, these weren't as dark as I'd like them to be. So, you know, I flip them again. But, you know, normally it's just, you know, I put them in and then I just turn it one time. That's normal. I mean, I can't manage the whole I could stress out. When my Janine say hi. But yes, you know, we're going this. So somebody said egg and sausage. Kenny said that's it. With little tea, you're good. Sounds like when I make saltfish fritters as soon as they come out of the pot. Oh God, I don't know what my next weakness. Green plantain. Oh God, I'm fried some yesterday and taste so good. And taste so good. Me I feel I wonder if I saw the food them up at even taste. Because if I saw be the case, me can't wait for go up there. Oh, as I was saying earlier, you know, I just remember I lost my train of thought for a second there. For the person who said they're having problems with you know, with the oil, you know, if needs be, you know, you put it on the paper towel, you can press down on it. Guys, it's very important. Make sure you lock off the stove. My mother greatest thing. Oh, you know, me did lock it off. You know, no. Make sure your stove is turned off. Okay, so I'm done with the fritters. You know, let me try to set it up and up on the plate. You know, if you make it see it look. But it was a good morning. Can I get a show of hands if you know if it was a good morning for you? And who learned something? If you learned something from my cooking show, tell me what you learned. Tell me what. Whoa, my body. So more honestly, me I go try bite tonight. Me gonna see cause me see my mother bite tonight and she over this and she roll her yard and everything and she said Mother, can you come and tell the people about taste for me? She kiss her teeth. So me dip on my own with that one there, but you know, so you wanna get as much as the oil out as possible because it's not the healthiest meal, but you know, this is not something we get up and make every single day. So, you know, every now and then, so you want to get as much of the oil out as possible. So what I'm doing right now, I'm put the plate in, you know, I'm kind of squashing down on them. You know, and honestly, they don't have much oil. And one of the things when I realize is that, you know, if you're putting on flour, you know, is that the flour kind of, I don't know if I block it out or whatever, but it's not as oily. Like if I make it without the flour, because you know you can make it without flour, you can make it with a little bit of flour, but trust me, them time it suck up oil. Those are the times when it's really suck up oil. So, you know, these are good. You know, I wish I could treat it. I wish I could see the paper towel, but it's not bad. It's really not bad. And you know, before you know it, you know, you have a nice looking plate with, you know, with banana fritters. Ooh, Lord God. You can't poison anybody more want poison, but I'm not that kind of person. And I hope some of you females not taking the songs literally, you know. But honestly, I don't think let's understand the Jamaican population. There are a lot of females in Jamaica, and no disrespect, not a lot of educated ones, you know, that listen to certain kind of music. And I know that people will really go and try this. People will really go try for poison their man. Worse if the man I get them bonus and so. But it doesn't make no sense good. You're going to end up in an orange jumpsuit or the horizontal stripes. So my advice to you is, I can't cook, leave it alone. I might give you about making go about in business. Alright, so Instagram, no, Facebook, me not get the right picture. So I'm going to take up the phone I'm going to show you what's going on over here. So this is what we have right here. Guys, and I said if you're not following me on Instagram, please go and follow me right now. Okay, I really do appreciate it. And go subscribe to my YouTube channel. But that's what we have. Tell them Johnny in long time. Paula, this is how my monkey ears looking. Alright, so I'm gonna bite tonight. I'm not gonna you can't know if I lie me. I tell Lord God, make them taste good, Woo! I try to find one cool, because I don't want it burn me. Somebody call the ambulance or the police, whichever one you get first. No, sir. Don't have it nice, sir. Mercy said no. No, sir. Girls up on the carrot cook. In the inbox me, I can go to the recipe. I'm going to try to do this a bit more often, you know, so that, you know, I'll just share what I know with you guys. And I do know a lot, you know. I cook almost anything Jamaican. Ooh! Me weak. I don't know if the sugar is sweet or what, but I'm weak. Put them on me. You see? I could most me forget to make a eat the tin mackerel. I tell you, you know, Kenny was right. Kenny, where you gone? Kenny was so right because you could most me forget to make a dirty girl for dipping in it. Nikki? Good evening, the two fire can't stop by. My stomach. It's too sweet. Many people, you know, the CC can't tell lie. All who believe say this tastes good. Quality over IG bad. Because I'm using an Android. And clearly Facebook is my iPhone. I suppose I teach a girl how to cook for them and so they're not poison them. Yeah, green plant. I did green planting yesterday. God. People don't know me extra, but this is not extraness. This is just. I feel like I cried to the banana fritters is sweet. I swear. Alright, so the dirty girl was prepared in time ahead. Nikki, me serious in a long time. You asked me if from before we get locked up. My fellow inmates, my church sister has been asking me for this thing for a long time. And I'm telling her she can't come over. So I'm going to put the dirty girl in the thing there, in the microwave. I mean, I like cold food, you know. I'll give it a minute. You know. Lord God, it's something tastes good, it tastes good. Mercy said no. Guys, if you're just joining in, you know, I made some banana fritters. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is what if you think it look good, times it by 10 and you get the taste. Tastes so good. Tastes so good. My friends, I'm never do creative cooking at Jamaica. Mercy. Should I do it for true? People are going to tell you something about the fritters them. The fritters them nice. Not too sweet, not too fresh. Remember earlier I was telling you guys, I'm not able to tell you how much sugar I'm adding because, you know, it's just with this Jamaican and I want to assume Caribbean thing. And I don't know. You know, sprinkle to the ear device, sprinkle no more. So I did, you know, I did put like 3 of these spoons of sugar. I don't know if that's the real size on this thing. I can't tell, but you know, I did like, so Instagram I did like 3 of these of sugar. 3 of these of sugar. And I did 2 scoops of flour. I had to scoop in my flour jar. And I did like what, 2 scoops of those. As I say, you don't want it too thin. Too thin will make it absorb too much oil, and too much flour will, you know, will kill out the banana. You're just gonna feel like you're eating one big banana bread, which is not a bad thing. But you know, you're not making banana bread, so you know you want, you know, you do it in moderation. I personally love to look at my batter to see, you know, to see how it's coming on, you know. And I use my little egg whisker and you know, I hold it up to see how it's dripping. If it's too watery, you know, it needs more flour. If it's too thick, Lord God help you. So, you know, I did that. I want to tell you that something tastes good. Jesus, Father. So, I'm going to try my best not to eat more than, I'm going to take up that one there. Try my best not to eat more than 3 because this is too many on this dieting. And I mean, these things that I have on are really bad, so you can't really tell. You know, I really look. Put it alright. Inputs. Mom, you want more? Last people, my mother have diabetes and she request for next one. Cookie Splendor. Alright, so I'm going to take a bite now. I'm going to tell you how it tastes. You see, at first, I'm going to take a bite and I could tell you, so I never did a lie. We can't show you the dirty girl on the plate. Instagram, so the dirty girl on the plate. Yes, man, so the dirty girl, well cook up with onion and sweet pepper. I mean, I said, even though it named that short, you have no found no people, no found a young girl, all of just take something and throw it under the pan and that's it. But you can't put little something like to man, you know, you can't put little something like little onion, little sweet pepper. You know, see people put salt in it. I don't know if I have blood pressure, them I look for, but you don't know what the hell would I put salt in this thing for. Alright, people, I want to be my witness. You don't know me can't tell lie. If me say it goes so, it either goes so or nearly goes so. No, something. Massive God, put pepper in there. It's hot, man. You know, just put pepper in there, something, man, I say it's not hot. Oh. No, sir. Put it hot bad. How much pepper you put in there? And the pepper on this. No, you know the green one, they have a pepper in it already. Trust me. If you make this job, look at that took surprise in the night. And I realize surprise night till you don't eat. I promise you. What? Me say people do something spicy. Me short about that, my nose start run. Me say my mother ever spicy this something when I say it's not spicy. Something going on my braces, but we figure it out later. My nose. I wish she me a message me about when my weight. She don't know weight and can. So I good as me I eat banana fritters. So all who just had join. I made banana fritters the real Jamaican way. Oh God. Not too soft, not too tough. Mercy. Woo! Yes, Tracy, but not so much pepper, I know that hurt, man. I eating banana fritters and mackerel. Yes, Soulin, so if you never try that combination, I could go and go try it. It's bad. You better skin up your face. Like one time somebody tell me, say, we mix up ackee with tin mackerel. Everybody know, if you know me, know say ackee and chicken back is my national dish. But, my God, my lip burn me. But anyway, you know, I've never had it before, but the way I see him eat it, I assume say it's nice. As me say, normally I not eat this with nothing. Because as I take one, I'm going to go over this and I'm come up for your next one, and before you know it, it's done. My brother Kenny earlier said, a good combination is just this with little tea and you're good. You know, I was actually thinking about some Horlicks, but you know, I don't really want too much sugar in the system because you know I have to work out later. Who want gem later for my workout? If you want to see me working out later, let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Oh. But anyway. Woo. What's a bad combination of task? Jesus. Mama, this is a big piece of paper you put in your pot. You have to put it up in your plate. Let me show you something. A good thing I never crave. Who can see this? You know see this? Then that means sometimes they're not hot, but you don't have to test the waters, man. You can't put this big piece of pepper in the pot. Mommy, no seed in there. What? I show them my mother wicked. My mother said no seed in there something. Tree seed. Who can see in this? I'm afraid to touch with my hand because next time I go rub somewhere. My mother said a tree seed in there something. No go seed. I want somebody count and see that for me. I don't go seed. Seed can't do. Let me count the seed them and tell you. Mommy, look here. Put pepper seed. This lady don't like clothes. She said if enough that. Mercy, people. I'm not telling a lie. Yanni, oh. Skip by a piece of my banana fritters. I can dash out. See, Tracy eat it. Tracy say it tastes good. I never ate it before. What you say? Wait, the people them can't hear. What you say?
The banana fritters sell off, man.
She's afraid that she camera shy. I could never share my mother. Yes, swallow. Can't taste all the garlic in it. Now I put garlic in everything, you know, which is really good. Give your food taste, trust me. So I just I'm gonna eat 2 fritters, but I'm just gonna eat 3. There's one more may I eat. I have J1. I'm telling you, I like them. Yes, guys, it's really, really good. You know, I don't stand and eat, but you know, the kitchen already, I just stay in there. The fan too loud. Yeah, actually, to big up yourself, stay sweet, sister. Today, chain is broken down in office today. Chain is broken. What that mean, Jen, I need more to wipe out. Talk to me, Belinda. Belinda, talk to me. Belinda said I need more in order for wipe out all of this gravy. Talk to it goodie. I said, I know Belinda really hard, you know. You don't understand all of this, you mad? If you'll be a sin. Paula, my mama said them really favor monkey ears, it's true. Everybody knows where we come from. Enough time we put it on the plate because right now this fat and I do me justice to scrape out all of my gravy. I know the Indian and the African and eat it and my hand clean. So now nobody come mess with me talk about CC. Come in the kitchen, me in my onion can dirty. And look at dirt now kill it anyway. I dirt to grow up on. Woo! Guys, if you're here watching and you haven't like started following my page, please just click the like and follow button. Thank you very much. Share the video, you know. We're not encouraging poisoning, but you know, we just say that if you're gonna do it, at least make sure so you can cook. Right, mess up? Alright, God. My nose just a run so. My nose just a run like whenever you're in time, you scrape pepper and you see mongrel dog a run come. That's what my nose just a run. You teach me this today. Woo! Belinda, I like Belinda don't say me I think the same way. I like Belinda, people hear Belinda say, but I know that me Belinda say, all I priest and bread for sop up that. You know, I like them that you never heard the moment sop. Belinda, you're too bad. I not follow you. I try to lose weight and you try to pack it on. You know how long I not eat already? But Belinda, I swear to you. I swear something. What you do, man? You have a weakness. Terrible weakness. Good morning, pumpkin twin one is up. Okay, good morning. Yeah, man, this is my weakness, man. Me only 3, 4, 6 of them at one time. And so good. So Belinda, I was actually thinking about it for true. I was actually thinking about a bread, but me nah, a roll, but me nah go do it, man. I try watch my figure. The most I might do is just eat this when I'm done, but not even right now, cutting on my belly. Tracy, I can't even explain to you my lip corner them at me, and my nose are run. So no fun I'm going to I can't see so and a restaurant me do I can't scrape up my plate. Alright, yeah. I'm scraping me one vice, I scrape no more. I'm going to give you something to jog pumpkin. I can't even give you a kiss because I don't want the pepper to burn up on your face. Woo!
What?
Because I have pepper and mama, I don't want to kiss you. I soon give you something to eat. Okay? And next security girl asleep. Woo! You sleep later. 3 fritters will look at tin mackerel and good. 3 fritters will look at tin mackerel and good. See pepper, I count too much seed in it. I can't never count. I will leave a seed. But it was good though. And you can't do this too. I know. When the woman have your plate, when the restaurant you can do as you don't like. Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong with you. Woo! And then we can finish off this with a dash of glass of with a glass of water with a dash of lemon in it. Woo! I'm not telling you, I feel like I'm ready to go clean up my backyard. I feel good. People on a normal day, you know. I still asleep them time, you know. At 12, 1 o'clock, me get up. You understand me? But I feel the energy. I have to feel the body good. Alright, ladies. So make sure if you have a poison name, at least make sure say the food tastes good, okay? And I tell you, I could have poison anybody with that liquor and they don't even realize till they're dead. That's not a joke. They don't realize till they're dead, man. And tell her, can you go look at my dresser? You see a bottle of water? Bring it from me, please, baby. The pepper kill me. Alright, guys. Remember, please. Oh, God, my nose. My nose is sinus, everybody. Remember. Thank you, pumpkin spice. I need some water. I need to go Costco today. I can't drink pipe water, so, you know, the house needs water. No, you just see the day now. See, I got tap off the fritters them right now.
Hey, Mommy. This house supposed to be when you do.
Baby, this hole is too small. I cannot drink anything out of it.
I don't.
So look here now. And I want to keep it healthy. For me personally, I rarely drink juice. You know, I have orange juice, I have apple juice. I have all sorts of juice.
You have water?
Yes, but I like my water. Put this down. I put it on over there. I love to drink my water. You understand me? You know, I don't really want to get too fat. You know, this are some abs me I work on. So let me see a raise of hands if you want me to, you know, go live for my exercise session later. I don't know, I don't front I sweet you win. No, I don't in front of so I can't show no exercise. If you look at my story on Instagram and on Facebook, you know, you'll see me doing some jumping jacks yesterday. Nearly killed me. I almost never call 911, but you know, I did finish my session and I did 600 jumping jacks, which was really, it got easier the more I went into it. So, you know, that clearly tells that practice makes perfect. So, let me see a raise of hands. Let me get some hearts, you know, over here on Facebook, whatever Instagram give, you know, let me get some. Oh, Instagram, the heart, Lord, Instagram on a blue heart. You know, I want to, if you want to join in my session later, let me know. Look here, this little girl is 5, and look which part she reach me. Look which part she reach me. I think I can't see. At my breast. At my breast is. So, guys, please to yes, Belinda 600 and me I plan for 2,000 today because me not joke with the summer business. You understand me? Nobody look for me. I'm supposed to tell them I have 3 children. You understand? I'm supposed to look right. You know, say my hand ain't kind of big, but it's a family thing. But you know, like them fluxy. If you look for them, I can raise all my muscle. I give you 1 thumb for that is a drop of ground. Anyways, guys, I'm going to leave you now. So please, if you have not already, please like and follow my Facebook page. You know, so you can get notifications whenever I come on live. Lord God, make it all a heart. Woo! Till I'm getting a lot of hearts, baby. I'm getting a lot of hearts. Hearts. You too, yes. You get. Come, Taylor wants some hearts. Hi, Nevada. My daughter wants some hearts. Yes, she's 5 Owen. She just turned 5. Taylor, when was her birthday? When was her birthday?
2 weeks.
Huh?
It is 6 weeks.
Taylor, when were you born? You're getting stage fright. When was her birthday? Which month?
February.
Yes, and which day?
Okay.
26 February.
26.
All right, she get out of the shy. She's a star. She's a star at her school. No, Belinda, you can see your winter. You can see what you say. Your winter body. I work by your summer. There are a lot of hearts over there. So I'm gonna go live later, and trust me, Lord, you're trying to exercise with them. It's a pain, but I'm gonna do it because everybody want abs. I'm gonna tell them already. I'm telling them, so then I have nothing for about at this point in time. But they don't believe me. So guys, please like and follow my Facebook page. If you're over here already watching me, you know, just click the thumbs up. You know, leave a comment, send a message, and if you have something that you want me to talk about, you can always message me. Please, no foolishness. We're not enough time.
Mommy, I'm getting more hearts.
Yeah, I'm getting a lot of hearts. Please also go follow me on Instagram, you know, at C_Lane. YouTube. You know, I don't have much over there, but I do have much. But you know, I realize the traffic over there is not all that great. You know, so you know, please subscribe. You know, I'm trying to put things over there, but trying to edit. Oh, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. It's just a lot. Me alone, and then I like my nobody with me can say, "Yo, edit this to me and make it look nice." And you know it. You know, I don't. This everything is just me. And she's asking me what time I'm going live. You know, it would be somewhere probably, you know, about between 4. I have to go get ice cream later, so I promised my sister that we go get ice cream. So probably 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock is a good time. And you like the page, like and follow the page so that you can get the notification. All right, so guys, like and follow. And I must let you know that I really do appreciate, you know, your loyalty. You know, I came on live. I know it's, and a lot of people are home, and I know not everybody home, not everybody watching me right now is at home. So I really do appreciate it. And if you're just joining, I made banana fritters. You know, you can watch a video from the start. You know, to get, you know, how it's made, and you know, you can look at my face and my reaction to tell you how it tastes. Okay, guys, like and subscribe. Have a wonderful morning, and I'll see you later. Mwah. Tell them bye-bye.
Bye.